Hey, what's up guys, and today I have a very exciting video. At least for me it is. This is a birthday gift from me to myself. I had been saving up for a luxury bag for a while now, and I think I finally found one that I am loving. I am so excited. I cannot wait to open this. So if you want to see what I got, just keep on watching. Now literally guys, my heart is racing. I'm like, oh, shaking, nervous. But I first thought I wanted the Gucci Marmont bag, and I had been saving for that bag for over a year, and I finally had the money for it. But when I saw this in a matter of 2 days, I totally changed my mind and decided to go for this one. And I hope I did the right choice, and I also hope that this has a box. I purchased this from Saks, so I'm not sure if it will include the original box, but oh my lord, how small is this? Okay, it does have a box. Nice. Wow. So I did pick up a bag from Saint Laurent. Wow, I'm thinking, first impression guys, this is tiny, and I mean tiny. Look at my hand. Oh god, I really hope I do like it. Just looking at the box, it looks really small. Let's see. Okay, here's the dust bag. It's dust bag. Okay. Ta-da! Oh. Well, I picked up the YSL toy Loulou bag. Aww. Okay, you know what? It is small, but I think I do like it. Okay, let me inspect it for any scratches. And I picked mine up with the black hardware. Bottom of this bag has no feet. Okay, so far seems good. I don't see no little scratches or dents. It is very squishy. And I believe this is calfskin leather. It still has the Saint Laurent. Right here it says Saint Laurent, and here's a little blue sticker. I'm not gonna be taking that off quite yet, but as you can see, the hardware on the inside is silver. It's only the front, the YSL logo, and the side hardware is covered in black. Here is the Saint Laurent card. It is pretty tiny. Well, we'll see if it's gonna end up working out. I mean, hopefully it does. Here is the tag. Now this bag retails for $1,190 US, and this is the netto, and the color netto. And here you see Saint Laurent Paris right there. Okay, now inside the bag, okay, you have a zippered pocket here. So one zipper pocket here. And then you have a slip pocket right here. And on this other side, you have card slot. 1, 2, 3 card slots. And another slot here. I'm thinking for card holder maybe. You could insert a card holder if you have extra cards. Okay, the inside is lined with like a, maybe like a cotton fabric. Feels nice. Nice and heavy duty. So tiny. Now, as far, well, that closes pretty well. Now, here is the strap. Take this off. Now it's an all leather strap. And the beautiful thing about this bag is that the strap is removable. And it also becomes a wristlet. I will show you that. Most videos don't really show, that I've seen, don't really show you how to take it off. But the strap itself, you just unsnap it from there. Pull it out. And ta-da! You got yourself a nice little wristlet. Put that back in here. So that's one thing that drew me into this bag, that is very versatile. You could use it crossbody, you could use it as a clutch, or here we go, here's how you would use it as a clutch. I mean, I don't know if I would use it as a clutch. Maybe, you know, maybe I will. But I do have that option, which is nice. Now, as far as measurement goes, this bag measures 7 inches wide, 5 inches in height, and a 2.5 inch in depth. So let's see how much stuff, if all my essentials fit in it, and we'll see what I think about it. Hopefully I will love this bag. Depending on how much I can fit in it and how it looks on me is whether I'm going to decide to keep this one or exchange it for a few other different bags. Hopefully you guys can help me decide. So inside here I have my iPhone 8 Plus. So this one, I guess in the front, that barely, look at that. It's like this, almost the size of the bag. So that it fits in there. Also, now usually also I would carry my Louis Vuitton 6 key holder. I don't want that scratching up the bag. Okay, that's in there. I have a card holder here. Maybe I could put that in that little slot where the card holder would fit. Yeah, right there. Boom. That fits right here in the corner. Try to get a good angle so you guys can see how, there we go. Okay, I would put that right in the corner. Then maybe some Tylenol if I ever get a headache. Fits right there. Some hand lotion. That fits perfectly right there. Ooh, hand sanitizer. I cannot live without hand sanitizer. Okay, this is a pretty big bottle of hand sanitizer. I usually have a smaller one, but I couldn't find it. But that fits. That still fits perfectly in there. And that's all I would pretty much carry. Just like basic essentials. Maybe a mirror, a Sephora mirror. Put that in there. And maybe if you have sunglasses, let's see, Let's see. Although I would never put my sunglasses in there, but let's see if we got close. Okay. That. Yes, it closes. Although I don't really put sunglasses in my bags, I usually just wear them on top of my head. So, but if you wanted to, you could fit in some sunglasses. Wow, and it's still, that's a good amount of stuff if it's in there. So yeah, you could add in some other things, maybe another lipstick. These are my everyday essentials that I would pretty much need. So that's pretty nice. I love that this bag has very many looks to it. As you saw with the wristlet as a clutch. It has this all leather strap, which on the clasp it says Saint Laurent right here. That's nice. I haven't seen that. Another clasp. And on the other side it says Paris. So it has that on both. It has them on both clasps. And Saint Laurent on the button right here. This strap doesn't weigh very much. It's pretty thin and barely has a weight to it, but I mean it's fine. And it has 3 holes. It's adjustable, so you could adjust it 3 holes. I would probably end up doing mine in the last one if I wanted to carry as a crossbody, just because it's not the longest strap. And I will show you how it would look with a chain strap. I'll be using the strap of the Love crossbody bag from Rebecca McGough, which I also have a video on. If you're interested, I'll link that. Although this chain is pretty thick and heavy, I will be ordering one from Coach, and the Dinky Chain, and it's all black as well, but it's all one chain. Look at that, it changes the whole bag, the whole look of the bag. It looks so much nicer like this. Honestly, I wish it would have come with this type of a chain, but I mean, I'm glad it's removable and you can just add your chain to it. And I will be buying, or I could also use this one, right? It doesn't look bad with this one on, to be honest. Gives it more of a nice edgy look. So this bag, very versatile. So that's what that will look like with a chain. Very nice. I did receive my receipt, and here within the little envelope it has 3 little cards and the authenticity card. I'm glad it came with a box. I know some people don't receive it with a box. I did have to call and ask them to include a box because I had forgot to click the gift option, so they could. I thought it was gonna be with a nice bow and wrapped nicely, but it's not. It just came in the box. But here's the exact name of it. Saint Laurent, little, like I said, retails for $1,190, but and I did not pay full price. I was not about to pay full price on this one, and that's why I had saved the money for the Gucci Marmont bag. But when I saw this one on Saks that they had $100 off, was it $400 purchase, then $200 off $800 purchase, and $300 off a $1,200 purchase. But if you notice, mine is $1,190. So what I just did, I just literally threw in some socks that were $19, and that brought my total to a little over $1,200, and that gave me an extra $100 off. So I got $300 off my order. So I ended up paying a total of $979.98, which is such a great deal. If I would have purchased this at retail value, I would have paid, I ended up paying like about $12.80. So I saved myself a good amount of money purchasing it this way. So if you're interested in buying the bag, I would wait for a sale, sign up for their newsletter, and that will, they'll notify you when they have these sales going on, and it'll apply to it. Not every single sale they have applies to YSL, but some do, like the one I got. So let me know. I'm having a hard time deciding if I should keep this one or exchange it for the YSL camera bag, the Loulou camera bag, which is a lot bigger than this, or the Gucci Marmont bag, which was the original bag I had been saving for. But this one is just too cute, but I don't know if it's too small for me, but it fits everything I need, right? So it does kind of work out. Now, depending how it looks on me, I think that's going to be the key factor, because it was such a good deal and it's so cute. I mean, I have not seen anybody with this bag, and I've seen plenty of Gucci Marmont bags out there. So maybe this is a keeper. And like I said, this is my birthday gift, so it feels nice to finally own a YSL bag. Super cute. So let me know which one would you pick. Which one would you pick? And if this video was helpful for you guys, or you enjoyed watching this video, please give me a like, subscribe. It would help me out a lot. And thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on my next video.